Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So Alhamdulillah, you are welcome back to today's class. The continuation of the learning of Alif Ba Ta Sa Ti Ya. In our previous video, we stopped we taught 4 letters, and today we will continue from there, inshallah. But before then, we truly believe that what we taught you the other time, you really practice them, and by now you can identify the letters from Alif till where? Tha, mashallah. So these are the ones we treated in our last video. One is Alif Hamza. Alif Hamza is the first one. Alif Hamza. Then the second one we say is what? Is Ba. Now, we say the second one is Ba. Is it Ba yet? No, until we put what? Dot. So the second one is what? Ta. With the same shape. But the difference is what? These 2 dots, different from Ba, the 2 dots are found at the top, which makes it to be what? Ta. Then the other one is the same shape, but this one has what? 3 dots. Is what? Tha. Tha. In the Quran, those letters, they have different form of writing them. That is at the beginning, middle, and at the end of a word. If this alphabet comes at the beginning of a given word, it has its shape. If they come at the middle, they take another shape. Then at the end of a word, they also take another shape. So that is what I want to talk on today, so that you will be able to learn perfectly. This Alif Hamza, it doesn't come at the middle. Once you write this letter, joining it with the one that is coming before it, you know we read from right to left. So if you join it to an alphabet coming from the right, once you've written it, the next one will not join. So for example, let's say we have like this. We say like this, so I say Qa. This Qa. After Qa, you see this Hamza. Then after it, you now see another letter. So you see now we did not join this letter with this one. So both at the middle and the end, this is what it will take. So this line beginning, middle, end. The reason why we write them like this is beginning, the beginning of a word. Beginning of a word, the way you are going to write them. Middle, the middle of a word, the way you are going to write them. Then end, the ending of a word, how you are going to write these 4 letters. So number 1, we have this one. If this alphabet starts a word, you write it like this. The way it's standing like this. You will not join it. This is Alif Hamza. So once you see it like this at the beginning of a word is alif hamza. So how will you identify this ba at the beginning of a word? It comes like this. You now put dot here. This ba. So you see this curve in is not here. The reason why it's not here is because for you to be able to join other alphabets, don't forget at the beginning, this bar is at the beginning. You see it with this dot alone, you know it's already bar. Then the other one, the same thing. You know they all have the same shape. So what differentiates them is the dot. So once you see this one coming like this, is ta. There's no curve here like this. That is at the beginning. Same thing with this one. No curving. Only the dot will differentiate it. This is a tha. Alif at the beginning, ba at the beginning, ta at the beginning, then tha at the beginning. Then if you find this alphabet also, this is the way they are written where they are starting alone. Here is where you want to join them with other letters. So at the middle, if you find them at the middle, just the way we explain this one, once you've written it, let's say for instance, the writing is coming like this, then you now join it. This is the way it will take. This is the shape it will take at the middle. Alif hamza. Alif hamza. This is the shape it will take. So alif hamza. So this one, let's say for instance, at the middle, for example, we have alphabet written like this. So as you can see, the banner is at the middle. So the way you see the shape it takes. So if we remove this one, because you are not after that one, and also this one, you see the shape it takes now at the middle. That is its shape at the middle. Ba takes this shape. So once you see it like this, with this dot, you know it's already what? Ba. Then the same thing, you know they are all the same. This star, you also probably have it in that way. So the difference is what? The two dots that makes it to be what? Ta. Ta. Then this one, the same thing. You know, it's only the dot that is differentiating them. This tha. Tha. Now we wrote that the other time. We say this one is what? T-H-A. Tha. This one is T-A. Ta. This one is what? B-A. Ba. This one is what? A-L-I-F. Alif. So this is the middle shape of those alphabets. While this is the beginning shape. The beginning looks like this, but it's only this curve that is not there. Those curves. The reason why this curve are not there is for you to be able to add other alphabet. Then at the middle, you see it shoots up like this. Then it comes. Meaning here you can add an alphabet. Here also you can add the letter. So at the middle now you see here is open, here is open. Why? For you to be able to join an alphabet here and also here. That is why here is not curved like this and this. Then it shoots up. The same thing with ta and tha. So at the end now, so this one is still the same. At the end of a word, you write it like this. Alif hamza. Then this one this ba at the end of a word, let's say after an alphabet, you draw this one, it comes up like this. Then you now see this one. You see there's curve here now, meaning it's ending a word. A word. This ba. This is the ba at the end. So once you see it like this, and with this dot, you know it's what? Ba. That ends the word. Then the ta, the same thing. There's the word you want to join. This is the line coming. Then from here you now join the bar, and it's ending the word. So this is the bar, this is the ta, sorry, ta, two dot. And also the tha, you want to join now. This is the line that comes before you join. Then you now write like this, 3 dot tha. I hope you are getting it. So once you're able to get it like this, to read the Quran will be very, very easy for you. So this alif hamza at the end, ba at the end, ta at the end, also tha at the end. So alif hamza, study alone from alif to ya, ba, ta, tha is alif hamza. Then at the middle you see this one will come up, come like this, come up, ta, the same thing, just the dot that is restricting them. Then at the end you see, so in a nutshell you will now see this one at the beginning come like this, at the end it shoot up, but at the middle it shoot up. The both side there's no curve. Here at the end it shoot up, but there's curve with ta and tha. So inshallah you take note of this and you practice them very well. Inshallah we'll continue in our next class with the other 3 crucial alphabet. So ma salam.